Bitcoin broke out to the upside and right now is testing a key resistance level, guys. We are going to have a look at that. We are going to have a look at this head and shoulders pattern is invalidated now, and if Bitcoin right now is starting a new uptrend, or whether Bitcoin still can see a drop to the downside. Then guys, we as well will be looking at some altcoins, the Bitcoin dominance, and a couple of your comments. So guys, drop a like, leave your comment down below. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Guys, let's jump into the Bitcoin price action. But before we are zooming in right here on the Bitcoin chart, guys, let's all take a minute, scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. Guys, the channel lately is growing so rapidly. There's huge momentum behind the channel, and that is all because of you guys, because all of your engagement. This is helping to push this video to as much people as possible and to educate as much people as possible about what is happening in the cryptocurrency markets. So guys, your engagement is truly appreciated, and yeah, that is the reason why this channel is growing, and I would love to keep up with this pace and to go to 10,000 subscribers as soon as possible. I want to make sure that as much people as possible are being educated right here about the crypto markets, so they can make the right decisions which will benefit them in the future. Then guys, for all the traders out there who are interested in trading Bitcoin or a variety of altcoins, below my video in the pinned comment, I'm recommending free exchanges, and yeah, right now there's actually a special bonus going on. So first of all, the Prime XBT exchange, if you sign up using my affiliate link, you can get a 50% deposit bonus. And yeah, the Prime XBT exchange is a exchange where you can trade Bitcoin, a variety of altcoins, but as well the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones. Then guys, the BYBIT exchange right now has a special bonus where if you sign up with my affiliate link right here, you can get an additional bonus of $620. There's more information down below for the deposit requirements. And the next exchange is the Femix platform, which I'm using personally as well. I'm using all of these exchanges for different purposes. So the Femix exchange is a great exchange to, for example, trade on the spot market with zero fees. And right now, if you sign up on this exchange, you can get an additional $100 bonus if you deposit 0.2 Bitcoin. So for all the traders out there interested in trading Bitcoin on the spot market or with leverage, you can find the exchanges that I'm using in the pinned comment down below. Then guys, let's go to the Bitcoin chart, and right now we are looking at the 4-hour time frame, and things are actually getting quite interesting. So we were forming here a potential head and shoulders pattern where we have the neckline right here, which is the green uptrending trend line. We have the left shoulder right here. We have the head in the middle, and yeah, we were potentially forming the right shoulder right there. And guys, as you can see, we haven't been breaking below the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern, which is needed in order to confirm this head and shoulders pattern. So right now, we are not seeing a confirmed head and shoulders pattern, but it is still a potential scenario. And if we bring out a very important moving average, guys, where I'm talking about almost in every one of my videos, which is the 50 moving average on the 4-hour time frame, the orange line right here, then you can see that right now Bitcoin is seeing a 4-hourly close above this level. And guys, this is actually a bullish sign, because if we have a look at the previous times when we are seeing Bitcoin getting a 4-hour close above this level, then you can see eventually that is being followed by a rally to the upside. Right here as well, we get a 4-hour close above the 50 moving average right here on the 4-hourly, and yeah, it's followed by a rally, a push to the upside. The time before that as well, 4-hour close below this level, and it is followed by a rally to the upside. So guys, in general, this is a bullish sign. If Bitcoin wanted to remain in this downtrend, yeah, then surely we should have been getting rejected from this level. So this is actually looking quite interesting. However, guys, this does not confirm right now that we are going to start an uptrend. This is just the first sign which is making us alert that, hey, Bitcoin might want to try and push to higher levels. First of all, guys, I want to use the Fibonacci retracement tool right here from the top till the bottom. Then we can see that right now Bitcoin is testing a very important key resistance level, which is the Fibonacci golden ratio. And guys, like I said in my previous video as well, this is going to be the second most important level right in the Bitcoin chart in the shorter term time frame to determine whether we are seeing a valid uptrend forming right here, a valid V bounce, or whether we could see lower levels, eventually test the neckline and break the neckline to the downside. Right now we are still trading below the Fibonacci golden ratio. If Bitcoin were to break above this level decisively, then I definitely think the chances are increasing that Bitcoin is going to enter a new uptrend. So guys, if Bitcoin were to break above the golden ratio Fibonacci level, then that is still not a certainty that we are going to see lower levels, because we are still below the previous high, right? But a strategy could be right here that the moment Bitcoin is breaking above this level decisively, that you are opening a long position, but that you as well have a stop loss right at this level. So when Bitcoin is breaking below the Fibonacci golden ratio, that is the moment you are being stopped out of your trade, because we are going to have a look at a couple of scenarios that are actually possible. So right now Bitcoin is testing the golden ratio. We haven't seen a break above this level, so yeah, we still could get rejected right now. We still could come up and test the golden ratio in the next couple of hours and break above it. This is definitely possible. So guys, let's have a look at a couple of examples where Bitcoin was actually topping out, but was as well going above the Fibonacci golden ratio. So let's first go to the daily time frame, guys, because I want to show you a very important moving average on the daily time frame, which is the 20 daily moving average. And in a bull market, when Bitcoin is in a bull market, it tends to go back to the 20-day moving average. And when Bitcoin wants to remain into a uptrend, we are seeing a bounce off from this level. So the 20 daily moving average is working like a magnet. And yeah, if we want to remain in an uptrend, Bitcoin is bouncing off from this level. This is the next important trend level that we are watching after the 50 moving average on the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, let's get rid of the Fibonacci levels right here. Let's get rid of all the drawings. Then you can see that right here, Bitcoin is getting supported exactly by the 20-day moving average. So guys, this, when we're zooming out right here in the Bitcoin price, then this could definitely tell us that we are just seeing a pullback in the price of Bitcoin. We are getting supported by the 20-day moving average. We are seeing a bounce, and Bitcoin is going to continue this uptrend. That is definitely possible, guys. We have seen that in the past as well. Right here, we have a uptrend. We pull back to the 20-day moving average. We are bouncing back off from it. And yeah, off Bitcoin goes. Bitcoin is continuing this uptrend. So guys, this is definitely a scenario you want to consider, because it is as well possible that Bitcoin is going to see higher levels before we are actually going to see a correction. Right now, we have not yet any confirmation that we know for certain that this was the top. But guys, let's have a look at the previous time Bitcoin was topping out in 2019. And yeah, let's use the Fibonacci retracement tool right here as well, because I think, guys, this example is actually looking quite interesting. So we have a top right here in the price of Bitcoin. Then we are dropping to the downside. We are seeing a bounce, and the price is coming up all the way to the 78.60%. Because of the high volatility right here, when we are seeing a top, the price traveled higher than the Fibonacci golden ratio. But still, guys, couldn't break above the previous high right here. And guys, when we bring out the RSI, we can actually find some weakness as well, which was actually quite important with predicting this top. So if we use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top right here till the second bounce, then we see that the bounce is coming up to the 78.60%. If we were to measure the same move right there in the RSI, then we can see that the bounce in the RSI is actually coming up to the 23.60%, which means that there is not much momentum behind this bounce, and yeah, that most likely this bounce is a corrective structure, and yeah, eventually we'll see a continuational move to the downside. And guys, the majority of the people, they are not using Fibonacci levels on the RSI, but yeah, you can definitely use Fibonacci levels on the RSI. But yeah, this should not be your sole indicator for predicting a certain top if we are just not seeing the momentum behind a certain price, right? That is very important. But yeah, here it could definitely tell us that the moment we were getting rejected, we were getting this sell wick at the 78.6%, and the RSI is confirming that there's not much momentum coming along with this bounce, that if the moment we break the 61.80%, that we can expect a further drop in the price of Bitcoin. Then guys, afterwards, Bitcoin broke below the 20 daily moving average, and you see the price continued in a downwards movement. So guys, in this bull rally, we can see it as well, right? Uptrend, we are getting pulled back to the 20-day moving average. Uptrend, pulled back to the 20-day moving average. And as long Bitcoin wants to remain as this uptrend, we are seeing a bounce off from this level. We have one example right here where we break below this level, but yeah, a couple of days later, we are already trading back above this level. So that would invalidate the downtrend the moment we are breaking back above this moving average. So guys, that is interesting, right? Because right now, when we have a look at the price of Bitcoin, sooner or later, we are going to see a severe correction from this uptrend. I do think we are going to see this rather sooner than later. So guys, this scenario is something to take in mind. Bitcoin right now bounced off from the 20-day moving average and broke above the 50 moving average on the 4-hour time frame, which normally is indicating that we are going to see a continued move to the upside. However, there are still some very important key resistance levels above us, and the most important level is of course the Fibonacci golden ratio. As long as we are trading below that level, then this move to the upside can always be a retracement from the drop we have seen so far. If Bitcoin decisively break above this level, then that could definitely a moment you want to open a long position, and with the stop loss right there at the golden ratio as well, which means that if Bitcoin is breaking below the Fibonacci golden ratio, that you are being stopped out of your trade, because we could see something similar as 2019 because of the high volatility which we are seeing close to a top, that Bitcoin is coming up to the 78.60% and is seeing a rejection from that level. And guys, you want to be watching the RSI right here as well, because the RSI can confirm the momentum behind this bounce or potential new uptrend. We always have this structure, right? Is Bitcoin in a uptrend or in a downtrend? Well, on the 1-hour time frame, we are looking at the 20-hourly moving average, so we can see in the immediate short term whether Bitcoin wants to go to the upside or to the downside. What is the trend, right? And then in the 4-hour time frame, we are looking at the trend in a more of a midterm perspective. And yeah, right now we can see that Bitcoin is breaking above this level, and that is showing us that in the midterm time frames, Bitcoin trend right now is transitioning back into a uptrend. When we have a look at the daily time frame, we are looking at the 20-day moving average, where Bitcoin right now is seeing a bounce off from, which means that on the daily time frame, Bitcoin is still in a uptrend. But guys, if we were to break the neckline right here, which is right now at approximately $32,000. If we were to break that level decisively, then that would be very, very bearish for Bitcoin. And that could bring the price of Bitcoin down to lower levels, even as low as the middle or lower 20k levels. So guys, do take that in mind. But right now, yeah, we are seeing a bounce first. It is as well possible because the majority of the people right now, they could be bearish, right? So right now, we first need to have a bull trap in the price, where a lot of people are being trapped in a new uptrend, while it's actually a retracement and Bitcoin is going to continue a move to the downside. So guys, be careful of such a potential scenario. Then guys, for everybody who is interested in trading Bitcoin, I have my affiliate links down below in the pinned comment to exchanges, and if you sign up to one of these exchanges using my affiliate link down below, you can get a additional bonus. And right now guys, BYBIT exchange just launched a new bonus, and right now when you sign up using my affiliate link down below, you can get an additional bonus of $620, which you can use for trading. And guys, there are some deposit requirements which you can find the information about down below as well to get this $620 bonus, but you can even get a $20 bonus without any deposit requirements, just for signing up right here on the BYBIT exchange. Then guys, let's have a look at a couple of comments from you from the last days. And right here we have one comment from Nicoara Andre, who is saying, great info man, very realistic and non-biased and very helpful. Thanks a lot and keep us informed. First of all, a big shout out to you, Andre. Thank you for your compliment right in the comment section. Thank you for your engagement, which is really helping the channel grow. And this is something, guys, I also would like to point out right here in this video, is that I really try to offer you guys a realistic and non-biased analysis. I'm not going every day on YouTube trying to say that, yeah, Bitcoin can only go up or Bitcoin can only go down. No, I really try to read the markets and to create a opinion based on what I'm seeing in the markets and to give you guys a realistic, honest and non-biased analysis. So Nikuara Andre, a big shout out to you. Thank you for your engagement. Thank you for giving me this compliment. Really appreciate it. Let's go to the next comment, which is from MJ Craily. Thanks, and I always look forward for the second analysis of today. Very helpful. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. This is truly amazing. And guys, due to your engagement, due to these positive comments, I'm as well getting in the mood and getting all this energy to create a second analysis, which I'm doing lately more often, right? So yeah, I'm going to do that more often, creating 2 videos per day, depending a little bit on the price action, of course. But yeah, I'm very happy that right now, so far, this is being well received. Then guys, let's go to the next comment right here from Loy Hua, who's saying, never miss out your video, thank you. Please update Chainlink. Okay guys, so let's do that. First of all, Loy Hua, thank you for your comment, thank you for your engagement, a big shout out to you. And yeah, let's have a look at the Chainlink chart. Let's first go to the Chainlink against US dollar. And guys, I've been talking a lot about Chainlink against the US dollar, right? And that I'm actually quite bullish. And guys, that I'm actually still quite bullish. Let's go to the daily time frame right here, because yeah, we can just see we had a nice triangle formation right here, and eventually Chainlink broke out to the upside. And Chainlink is one of the altcoins who hasn't seen this massive run yet. So first of all, we have seen a massive rally in the price of Bitcoin, which is awesome. After Bitcoin, most of the time Ethereum will follow. So we have seen a rally in the price of Ethereum, but not even surpassing previous all-time high. The real rally still needs to start, in my opinion. We are going to do that once we are breaking decisively be above previous all-time highs. But Chainlink, guys, has not showing that much strength within this rally. We came back up right here at approximately a Chainlink price of $18 once we broke out right here. But I do think that once Bitcoin is cooling off and once liquidity is being more divided over the crypto markets, Chainlink will see a way higher price than we are trading right now. And yeah, right now we are getting pattern-wise the first signs. Triangle pattern, breakout to the upside, former resistance turning into support, and right now still trading above this level. Then guys, I want to share a quick article right here on Chainlink, which has been published on finder.com. And yeah, right here in this article, they also name me, Jeroen, host of the YouTube channel, The Blockchain Today, because they have been asking me some questions and I wanted to share that right here on the channel as well. So what I've been saying right here is that since its launch, Chainlink has been in a strong uptrend, as well as in the US dollar and Bitcoin comparative. This essentially means that even though Bitcoin was in a downtrend in 2018, right before the huge drop from 6 to 3K, and after we topped out in 2019 at a price of 13,800, Bitcoin entered a multi-month downtrend. Chainlink during both of these periods was able to outperform Bitcoin. And guys, that is something with Chainlink. Chainlink has been outperforming Bitcoin when Bitcoin was in a downtrend, which is quite remarkable. We are not seeing that often with altcoins. So guys, one of the main questions traders have right now is, of course, how is Chainlink going to perform in a bull market if it already outperformed Bitcoin in a bear market? So that is something quite interesting, guys. This is definitely not a confirmation that Chainlink is going to outperform anything. It's just something that Chainlink is showing strength when Bitcoin didn't show a lot of strength. And that is actually quite strong for a altcoin and something we are not seeing that often. Then guys, let's have a look at the Bitcoin dominance, because we are seeing an interesting development right here in the Bitcoin dominance. And we had a declining resistance right here, and there was a question, are we going to break out to the downside? Are we going to get rejected again? And could we see liquidity flowing from Bitcoin into altcoins? Or are we going to break the resistance? And is the Bitcoin dominance continuing going to increase right here? And yeah, well, we got the answer so far. Bitcoin broke the resistance. Let's see how good this is holding. But right now, with the pump we are seeing in Bitcoin, the increase we are seeing in the Bitcoin price, we are also seeing an increase in the Bitcoin dominance. So guys, these are the levels that I'm watching right now in the the Bitcoin chart, right here above us, we have the Fibonacci golden ratio. Above that, the 78.60%, right? And below us, the most important level is the neckline right here of this potential head and shoulders pattern, because the neckline is as well aligning with the 20-day moving average. And if we were to break below this level decisively, then that would be a very bearish sign for Bitcoin in the shorter term time frame, in the immediate short term time frame. So guys, do take that in mind. And also take in mind, guys, you don't need to trade Bitcoin every day. You don't need to take every opportunity to trade Bitcoin. Right now, we are just not seeing a clear direction. It's not sure right now if we are going to see a continuation of this uptrend, or whether Bitcoin is going to see a rejection right here and is going to see lower levels. It is okay to wait for a good opportunity. Actually, this is better, because if you try to catch every opportunity, then most likely, guys, you will make a lot of mistakes. It is better to let the markets come to you and take advantage of a good opportunity. And sometimes when you are not seeing the clear signs that you would like to see when trading, take a step back, guys, and just don't take a trade. That is totally fine, guys. But okay, guys, that was it for today's video. If you all enjoyed today's analysis, guys, take a minute, scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, would be amazing. Then guys, for all the ones that really want to get a better understanding of these cryptocurrency markets, I have created a cryptocurrency course. And guys, I'm getting so many good comments from this cryptocurrency trading course, and it has been very, very life-changing for a lot of traders out there. The course is really well structured and is really designed, guys, to teach you everything you need to know to become a profitable trader from a beginner standpoint as well as from an advanced standpoint. So for everybody who's interested in my cryptocurrency trading course, you can find more information on the blockchaintoday.com. I have a link down below in the description to my website as well. Then guys, I want to wish all of you an amazing day. For the ones that haven't seen one of my amazing tutorials, you can go over there, watch one of those, and I will see all of you in the next video.